Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reconcile your summaries from Synder before you sync them to the books with the help of new reconciliation feature. First of all, what is your reconciliation period? So I want to reconcile October. I don't have too much data in October, but anyways, I want to make sure everything's fine. I've just signed up for Synder, so I've just imported my transactions from my Stripe. I go in, nothing is yet mapped. I'm not sure I want to do anything unless I'm sure the data is correct. So the first thing that I'm going to do that I'm going to filter every single October summary. Obviously, in my case, it's just 2, but you will obviously will have more. So filter them out and make sure they're all fully fetched, which means that all of the transactions are available to Synder. If it's partially fetched or fetching, it means that Synder is still importing or syncing data to his system. So you can go under transaction list here and see how the transactions are getting imported same way. October filter here, so you may make sure that everything here is in sync status. If something is not in sync status, like this is the way you can check it, selecting all and deselecting sync. This way you are going to see if you have something in failed or canceled statuses or something that is not transferred properly or recorded properly in Synder. So you can apply to support to make sure you resolve every single issue to make sure that all of your summaries are fully fetched. So once that's done, and you want to reconcile, you go to reconciliation, you go to balance reconciliation tab here, you select your clearing account, which Synder will create for each connected integration. So I connected Shopify as well, but I haven't imported anything yet. So I'm going to reconcile my Stripe. So what's your beginning and ending balances? You need to go to your Stripe account under reports and balance summary, and here select your reconciliation period. For me, that's October. Make sure that the time zone is appropriate and matches the time zone in Synder settings this way. So go to organization settings here and look at your Stripe and look at your time zone here. So it should match. So for me, I will go with the Copenhagen. Once I have the report in the right time zone, I can see what is the starting and ending balances. For me, nothing will change because in this test account, I only have like 2 transactions, so it's not really making any difference. But for accounts with a lot of transactions, it's going to make a difference. So once your report's correct and in the correct time zone, see your starting and ending balances. For me, it's easy. It's 0. Ending and starting balances. So I go back to reconciliations and I'm going to set beginning balance to 0, ending balance to 0, and ending date to 31st of October. Now I can start reconciliation. So it is going to give me all of the transactions for that period. So all transactions up until 31st October. In my case, I actually only have like a 1 sale, a fee that Stripe took for that single sale, and a payout that sent it to my bank. So just 3 of them. So I'm selecting all 3 of them. And once the difference is 0, I'm good to go and reconcile it. Here you have different like drop downs and filters that will help you to navigate better. You can sort it by the amount to make the reconciliation easier. If you're not sure about the details or you want to fix them, you can fix the details here, ending balance or ending date, or you can save the reconciliation for later. So, but I'm fine. So I'm going to just go with the reconcile option. So now Synder is making sure that every single transaction there is marked as reconciled, so everything is reconciled. So now if I go to reconciliation history, I will be able to see that specific reconciliation of the ending date, 31st October, a reconciliation date is when I did this reconciliation is November 11th, which is today. My beginning ending balances, differences, if any. Obviously, if you just reconcile, everything will be fine. But in case something's going to be deleted and you'll get the starting balance difference, you will see it here. And you can view the report to see which transactions were actually reconciled with the IDs so that you can track them easily and download any of these reconciliation reports. That's how you reconcile your data. So now I'm sure the data is correct, my cache is safe and sound, and I can go and synchronize my October summaries.